Dobsonville police have urged members of the community to assist in finding the family of a 24-year-old man who was on Monday arrested after being found in possession of an undisclosed amount of medication. Police are also looking for the family of 55-year-old Thulani Kambule, who died in his home in Dorenkop Extension 12 after his house was gutted by a fire.
Nabbed for being in possession of an undisclosed amount of medication, police were patrolling on Sunday when they found this 24-year-old man from Bromfisherville with medication, claiming to have just picked them up from an open field.
When they noticed a suspicious person, they approached them and found that this person nama pills. He has got different kinds of medication, nama pills, cough mixtures, and various types of tablets as well.
A case of suspected stolen property has since been opened. Police suspect that these could have been taken during a robbery and now ask anyone with any kind of information to step forward.
So when he was questioned, he could not give an account to police where he had taken those tablets. So he's arrested for possession of a suspected stolen property. So we are busy investigating this matter, and we are also thinking probably they might have been robbed, or there might be a vehicle around the area. So we need anyone to come forth.
Meanwhile, a 55-year-old man known as Thulani Kambule, widely known as a traditional healer in the area, was found burnt beyond recognition at his home in Extension 12 in Dorenkop on Sunday.
Kutholakala ukuthi kunomuntu wesilisa oshele khona lapha naphakathi. So investigation yethu ireveal ukuthi igama lakhe uThulane okwaKhambule and ebeneminyaka u55.
Police say the cause of fire is still unknown at this point, but a case of inquest has since been opened.
Tokwamanje asazi ukuthi what led to the fire, but we can see that there was also some 2 hot plate stove and everything. So we don't know ukuthi it might have been electrical fault or anything else. So kwamanje singamaphoyisa siphenya icala le-inquest.
Police are now requesting that anyone with any kind of information may come forward to help find the family of the deceased, as no member has yet come forward.
Sifunisana nefamily yakhe because according to investigation ebehlala A1 khona kule ndlu, so uyowashonela khona lana. So uma khona mhlambe abantu abazi ukuthi la eblock 12 uThulane wakaKhambule behlala khona la, abazi family yakhe, sicela basisize ukumfunisa so that azokwazi ukuthi amaphoyisa aqhubeke nophando.
Mnisi, Soweto TV News in Soweto.